seem a bit sleepy, Grandad Tumble.
Yay! Oh, no, not me. Oh, no, you see, I'm wide awake. Yes, let's get going, shall we? Hey, what's going on? Oh, dear.
Are you sure you're not sleepy, Grandad Tumble?
Well, maybe just a little bit. Oh, no. But I need to look after the garden. What am I going to do? Oh, wait a second. I've had a good idea. I can water the garden and take a nap at the same time. There you go.
Very clever, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, thank you. Grandad Tumble.
Grandad Tumble's very sleepy.
Oh, yes, I know.
Why don't you help him water the garden?
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll get the hose. Right then, here we go. Oh, doesn't seem to be working. Oh, that works. Right, try again. Oh, what's going on? Oh dear. One more try. Oh no. Grandad, does this hose work? Oh dear. What's going on? Oh, hello. Oh, that was a lovely nap. And look, the garden is all watered. Woohoo! Oh, hello, the boy. Did you water the garden, the boy? Well, what a great job you've done. Thank you. My pleasure.
Mr Tumble, please can you show us the sign for garden?
Oh, yes. Garden. You sign. Garden. Look. Garden.
Thank you, Mr Tumble.
I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!